IUPAC naming of organic compound. In IUPAC naming, first we discuss the families of organic compound: alkane, carbon, single bond carbon, ethane. An example: name of the family, graphic formula, class name of the acyclic compound. Example: name of the compound. IUPAC naming of organic compound. In this topic, first we learn what type of compounds in organic chemistry are we having. Alkane, known as paraffin. Paraffin is basically common name, and alkanes is IUPAC name. Example: CH3. Paraffin is a common name, alkane is a IUPAC name. Carbon, double bond carbon. Olefin is common name, alkene is IUPAC name. CH2 double bond CH2. Carbon, triple bond carbon. The common name is acetylene. Here CH triple bond CH. Haloalkane. In haloalkane acts halogens: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. The common name is alkyl halide and IUPAC name is haloalkane. The common name is alkyl halide and IUPAC name is haloalkane. CH3Cl, methyl chloride is a common name, and chloromethane is a IUPAC name. Alcohol, OH, common name is alcohol, and IUPAC all. In IUPAC, common name is alcohol and IUPAC name is alkanol. CH3OH, methyl alcohol is a common name. Methanol, IUPAC name. Methanol, methyl alcohol is a common name and methanol is a IUPAC name. Ether linkage: when oxygen attached with both side carbon, there is a ether. Ether is a common name. Here IUPAC also accepted as it is. CH3 whole twice O. This is a dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether is a common name and IUPAC name is methoxymethane. Dimethyl ether is a common name and methoxymethane is a IUPAC name. Ether linkage: in ether linkage, oxygen, single bond oxygen, both side carbon attached. Ether is a common name and in IUPAC also ether as it is. CH3 whole twice O. Dimethyl ether and methoxymethane. Dimethyl ether is a common name and methoxymethane is a IUPAC name. Aldehyde: this is an oxo or formyl compound. CHO is a functional group. Aldehyde is a common name and alkanal is a IUPAC name. Starting example: SCHO, formaldehyde or methanol. Formaldehyde is a common name and methanol is a IUPAC name. Keto or oxo. CO is a functional group. Ketone is a common name. Alkanon is a IUPAC name. CH3 whole twice CO is a acetone, is a common name. Propanone is IUPAC name. Carboxyl, this is a carboxylic acid. C double bond OH. Carboxylic acid is a common name. Alkanoic acid is a IUPAC name. HCOOH is a formic acid, is a common name. Methanoic acid is a IUPAC name. Amino carbonyl. In amino carbonyl, CONH2, this is a functional group. Acid amide, common name. Alkane amide is a IUPAC name. HCONH2, this is a formamide. Methanamide is a IUPAC name. Formamide is a common name. Formamide is a common name and methanamide is a IUPAC name. Ester or alkoxycarbonyl, COOR. Ester is a common name. Alkyl alkanoate is a IUPAC name. HCO OCH3. This is a methyl format, is a common name. Methyl methanoate is a IUPAC name. Acid halide group or haloformyl COX. Acid halide is a common name. Alkanoyl halide is a IUPAC name. CH3COCl. This is a acyl chloride is a common name. Ethanoyl chloride is a IUPAC name. Anhydride, acid anhydride COOCO, this is a functional group. Acid anhydride is a common name. Alkanoic anhydride is a IUPAC name. CH3CO whole twice O, this is a acid anhydride, is a common name. Ethanoic anhydride is a IUPAC name. Cyano, CN, alkyl cyanide is a common name. Alkane nitrile is a IUPAC name. CH3CN, methyl cyanide, common name. Ethane nitrile is a IUPAC name. Isocyano, NC, alkyl isocyanide is a common name. Alkane carbylamine is a IUPAC name. CH3NC, methyl cyanide or methyl carbylamine. Nitro NO2, nitroalkane. CH3NO2, nitroalkane as it is. Amino NH2, alkylamine, alkane amine. Alkylamine is a common name. Alkane amine is a IUPAC name. CH3NH2, methylamine is a common name. Methane amine is a IUPAC name. Nitroso NO, nitroso alkane is a common name. Nitroso alkane is a common name or IUPAC name. In both systems we having same name, CH3NO, nitroso methane.